When we're using JavaScript, and especially when we're using our own functions or functions from somewhere else that we changed, we're going to want to know if it works correctly, and if it doesn't, we want to know why. So here you can see a script, and some of the parts of the script are actually meant for the website, like this, or this, but some of them are meant for troubleshooting, like this, because when you're typing console.log and then, for example, string or another value, in this case it's something that was given to the function earlier, it's going to show up on the console. Now, when we're running it locally, it's of course not going to show up in Visual Studio Code because we're running it in the browser. So we're going to do a local run and open it. And now let's look exactly at what it's going to write to the console. So if this function highlight, is deployed and works, actually does something, and this if is true, this should happen. And then it should write to the console subtitle and the value that was given to the function for the subtitle and other values. So, and down here, generally, this is not in some subfunction of the script, as you can see. Generally, it should write to the console, this script runs. And this window point frames should write the URL the website is running on, the specific page of the website is running on. And this is just another random value I decided to give out to the console. So now, of course, nothing here is visible. So created an example page. And now, if we're doing a right click and then go to Inspect, Q, it shows us this down here. And here you can see the console. And here is a filter, so if everything is gray, everything is, you can see everything, but that's a little bit distracting, so we only want to see the log, because that's what we did here. We wrote a log to the console. Now we can see, so the script runs. Great. Here, an URL, yeah, the local server, and subtitle 1, yeah, that's here too. So, and when the function highlight check is activated, it should write this. Yeah, it did. So, and here again, and again. So this works. And here's subtitle, style color, and back color. Again, it's written here over and over. So everything is fine here. But that it wasn't fine from the beginning. I had to fix it using the console. It is pretty handy and not very intuitive, in my opinion, to look for the console in the browser. If you want to save this, you have to copy it, because it's not going to be saved to a file. It's not logged in the log file, it's just written to the console.